This guide shows you how to stop updates in Windows 10. Now, you may have noticed since Windows 10 has come out, you can basically no longer stop the updates, whereas Windows 7 you could hide the updates. In Windows 10 you can't. You can delay them, but you can't completely stop them. But this guide shows you how to completely stop those updates. Now, it's not recommended that you stop the updates unless you're having problems with them, and only as a temporary solution, because the updates do provide you with extra security and extra functionality, and if you stop them indefinitely, your system will stop being supported after a few years. Okay, so first of all we need to open up our browser. Now I'm going to open up Google Chrome, so double click Google Chrome, and when that's open, move your mouse to the bar at the top of the screen just there and left click once. Delete out anything that's in it, and you need to type in there greatis.com/stop updates 10. So that's greatis.com/stop updates 10, all one word, all lowercase. Then press enter or return on your keyboard. You'll then see this screen appear, and this takes you through and tells you basically about updates and what this program can do. Okay, so if we scroll down here, it gives us some screenshots and, like I say, some details about the program itself. So as we go further down, you'll see there's a download button. So move your mouse over the download button and left click once. Okay, so it wants us to accept and download the agreement. You can read the agreement just by clicking on read and accept there. Okay, and once you've done that, click accept and downloads. Now, if you're using Chrome, then it will pop up down the bottom there, stop updates 10.zip. If you're using Firefox, then it goes up to the top right hand corner. If you're using Internet Explorer, it'll ask, do you want to run or save this file? Also, if you're using the older version of Edge, it will say, do you want to run or save this file? So if it says that, then click save, and hopefully we should find whatever browser we're using, it should end up in the downloads folder. So I'm just going to close the browser down now, so left click close on the cross in the top right hand corner, and I'm just going to click on the little yellow folder there. If we haven't got a yellow folder there, click on the start button and click on the folder just there. Okay, and then we need to click from underneath quick access the downloads button just there. So I'm just going to click downloads, and we should see somewhere in downloads stop updates 10. So double left click stop updates 10, and then double click stop updates 10 setup. Okay, so say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Well, make sure that it says stop updates 10 setup. Make sure that the verified publisher matches this here, and make sure that the file origin says downloaded from the internet. If that matches, then move your mouse over yes and left click once. Okay, so it asks us our language, so select the language that you want to install it in. Mine's English, and then left click OK. Then move your mouse over next, left click once. Move your mouse over the circle just to the left of the I accept the agreement, left click once, then move your mouse over next and left click once. And again, left click next again. Then if you want to install it in this directory, which I would recommend, then move your mouse over next and left click once. And then it asks us what folder do we want to put the shortcut in. Well, it's okay just to leave it as stop updates 10. So move your mouse over next, left click once. Okay, and finally move your mouse over install, and again left click once. It's now starting to install. This might take a little while depending on the speed of your computer. Okay, once it's installed, we can see here we've got two options. I'm just going to take the tick out of stop updates 10 on the web, and just going to left click that box there to remove that tick, and then left click finish. Okay, so very simple. We've got two options here. We can pause updates. So if we click pause updates, we can give it a date. We can say we want to pause the updates till a certain date. Now at the moment it's suggesting the 11th of November 2099. Okay, we can pause the feature updates, which are the large updates that you get about once every 18 months. These really are the ones that you need to keep the system up to date. And the monthly updates here, these ones are generally the security updates that you get every month and minor bug fixes. So you can pause those if you wish. Okay, so I'm not going to pause those at the moment, so I'm just going to click the cross up here, but if you did want to pause them, then you can click on the OK button just down there. So if you wanted to stop Windows updates in their entirety, then you can move your mouse over Stop Windows Updates, left click once, and it says there please wait, and right, okay, so it says success, Windows update has been blocked. So okay, so it says here, I mean, there's a couple of things we can click on here, but I wouldn't advise it. I think these are basically adverts, or you can give your opinion on the program if you want to. So I'm just going to move my mouse over the cross in the top right hand corner though, and left click once, and there you go. As you can see, Windows Update is now blocked. So it means that it won't install any updates. So let's just go to settings and go to update and security, and hopefully now we should see that this has been blocked. Right, okay, so as I've blocked my updates, nothing's coming up. You can see the little dots just going along the top of the screen there, but nothing is coming up. Okay, so if you wanted to reverse this, I'm just going to close this down, the stop updates for Windows 10, and just going to close that box down there. So if we want to reverse this and start the updates again, then I can click on the start button just down there, and I can type on the keyboard stop updates, and as I'm typing it under best match, up comes stop updates 10. So I'm going to left click on that. Okay, so it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Well, as long as it says stop updates 10 and the verified publisher is shown as shown on screen, then it's okay to move your mouse over yes and left click once. Okay, so it gives us an option here now to restore Windows updates. So I can move my mouse over restore Windows updates, left click that, it says please wait. Might take a little while this, but there we go. It says Windows Update is not blocked. And also you can do the same if you've paused the update. So if you've paused updates, okay, you can move your mouse over resume updates there and left click once, and there you go. Windows Update is not blocked. Or if you just wanted to resume certain updates, you can move your mouse over options, left click once, and you can unpause some of the updates. So you could put in today's date if you wanted to unpause certain updates, like the feature updates. You could put in today's date on there and it would unpause it from today. So there you go, and then you left click OK. Okay, so I hope this guide helps. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.